Hi, and welcome to the Raising an Alignment tutorial. Let's go. The alignment of subtitles is very important. Generally, subtitles are aligned center bottom. When I click on Project Settings, under the General tab, I will find the Alignment and Justification. This will align and justify all of the subtitles as I have set it, in this example, all centered. As we have learned in this module, there may be reasons when you need to raise or align individual subtitles. When raising a subtitle, first navigate to the toolbar and click on the vertical alignment shortcut, which is the two opposing arrows. Here you can click on Align Top, Center, or Bottom. We will click on Align Top to align the subtitle to the top of the screen. When aligning a subtitle, navigate to the toolbar and click on the shortcut which has the horizontal lines. Here you can align your subtitles left, center, or right.